If you're not making money on Instagram in 2025, you're missing out. With more than 2 billion active users, dropshippers are getting more than $2,000 a day without going viral or being famous. Instagram isn't just for selfies and vacation pics anymore. It's money-printing machine for online sellers. Instagram users spend over $1 million per minute, and the average dropshipper makes around $432,000 per year. Yep, just by using Instagram ads. No dancing, no going viral, no begging influencers to shout you out. Just smart ad strategy and results that make your bank account smile. Want in? Let's break it down. Instagram launched back in 2010, fast forward to 2025, and it's not just alive, it's thriving. It's the #1 platform for visual content, and that makes it perfect for dropshipping. Why? Because dropshipping is all about showing a product and making people want it instantly. From eye-catching gadgets to must-have beauty products, Instagram is built for impulse buys. Even better, Instagram users are trained to shop. They're used to seeing products, tapping links, and buying without even thinking. Instagram users spend over 1 million per minute on products they see in ads. All that are impulse buys. They see a video, it grabs their attention, they like it, and they buy it immediately. And with Instagram shopping, stories, reels, and now ads, dropshippers have everything they need to launch and scale a brand without needing a giant budget. Let's keep it simple. Instagram ads are paid posts that show up where your audience is already hanging out, in their feed, stories, reels, or even on the Explore page. You choose your product, you pick your target audience, you set your budget, and then Instagram shows your product to people who are likely to buy it. Sounds easy, right? Well, sorta. Compared to platforms like Facebook or Google Ads, Instagram ads are more visual, more personal, and more native to the feed. People don't even realize they're looking at ads half the time. That's exactly why Instagram outperforms most platforms when it comes to engagement and conversions for product-based businesses. People come to Instagram to look, and that means your ad doesn't feel out of place. It feels like content. Okay, now buckle up, because here's what most gurus won't tell you. Running successful Instagram ads isn't just click and boost posts and praying for sales. No. A real Instagram ad strategy involves pixel installation, aka spying on your visitors, audience research and segmentation, creating lookalike audiences based on behavior, setting up retargeting ads for cart abandoners, A/B testing every thumbnail, caption, and CTA, monitoring CTR, CPC, CPA, CPM. Yes, more acronyms than in a military handbook. Then just when you think it's working, Meta update the algorithm just like they did a few weeks ago, and everything goes sideways. Still with me? Exactly. This is why most people either burn out and quit or get overwhelmed before seeing their first sale. I've been there, so I know what I'm talking about. I spent days, if not weeks, trying to understand Instagram ads, build a perfect strategy, learn all the acronyms, and monitor statistics, but there is no need to worry. There is another way. Here is the shortcut smart dropshippers are using in 2025: Sellvia's Instagram ad tool and Sellvia ads. What if you could skip the complicated setups, avoid all the testing, and just get efficiently made Instagram ads, high-converting product videos, catchy captions and CTA text, pre-tested audiences, product pages optimized for conversions? Sounds great, right? That's what Sellvia gives you. It's like hiring a full team of marketing experts without actually hiring anyone. The best part? Users report that their ad profits are 5 times higher than their ad spend. So if you spend $100, you're pulling in from 2 to 500 in revenue, and sometimes even more. Instead of guessing, testing, stressing, and obsessing, you just launch and go. Look, today, attention is currency. If your products aren't showing up in people's feed, you might as well not exist. Instagram isn't optional anymore. It's a must-have marketing channel, especially if you're dropshipping. Here is the truth. You don't need to wait for your videos to go viral. You don't need to spend months learning ads, running tests, and crossing your fingers. You just need the right tools. Something that's already optimized and built to convert. That's what Sellvia offers, a turnkey Instagram ad system that helps you get seen by thousands or millions, get clicks from buyers, and get paid without struggling on your own. So listen, if you're still watching others making money, it's time for a change. Instagram ads are already helping thousands of sellers earn $10,000, $50,000, even more than $100,000 a month, and they're doing it without being influencers or having huge followings. This is your time to make thousands, even millions if you play smart. Instagram gives you almost everything: traffic, tools, buyers. You just need to show up with the right strategy. Forget chasing the trends, waiting for your video to go viral, or wasting money on guesswork. This is the era of intentional strategic growth. And if you're ready to stop scrolling and start scaling, I've dropped all the useful tools and resources I personally use right below in the description. They're beginner-friendly and built to help you grow fast and finally earn that million. So yeah, that's it for today. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more useful and interesting videos. And you're always welcome to leave any questions you have in the comments below. I'll reply to as many as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye!